In this problem, we are being asked to determine if figures are related by a rotation. That is, could you rotate this blue figure and make it end up being the dashed line figure? In ALEKS, you'll be able to grab this blue bar and move it around and rotate and see if it works. Um, but soon, hopefully, maybe already, you should just be able to eyeball these things and see whether it's going to work. When you move a whole quadrant, when you move a figure a whole quadrant, let's say we rotate this 90 degrees, it gets turned on its side. It gets turned 90 degrees. So this is going to look, something like this. Whoops, not great orientation, or I didn't keep it very congruent there, but you get the idea. So it's going to get turned 90 degrees. This is going to get turned another 90 degrees when it goes over here. It's going to get turned another 90 degrees when it gets rotated over here. And to be pointing the same direction, which these two are, you would need to rotate it a full 360 degrees. In this case, to get from this quadrant to this quadrant, you're either rotating 270 degrees clockwise or 90 degrees counterclockwise. Either way, you're not going a full 360, so they should be pointing different directions. So this is not possible. These two figures are not related by a rotation. Let's look at B, and you might be able to tell right away that if you rotate this 90 degrees, it's going to get turned on its side, and you would get a figure that looks exactly like this. If that's not clear, play around with the blue bar, move it back and forth, and see until you have a better sense of how these rotations work.